In this video, we will going to solve the problem on the projections of point in the fourth quadrant by using the AutoCAD software. So how to draw that? So first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, you accept it, and the upper right corner by default it is 12, 9. I will going to take up 500, 500, enter. So zoom all. So what? First I set the limits and then I am rearranging the display to the limits what I have set. Previously it will be set for the limits of 12, 9, the display. Once I change the limits, I need to adjust the display to that particular limits, because otherwise the drawing will go out of the screen. So once you do that, now we will going to select the sheet. To select the sheet, first I should draw the sheet now. So to do that, so first is the command is L line, specify first point, select some arbitrary point, keep on ortho on, you just click on the first button on the mouse, and again you just click on the first button on the mouse. Then go to offset O, type 297, enter. So you select this vertical line and offset to the left side and enter. So since the previous command is offset, again I want to offset this line by 210. So you just go to offset, type 210, and you select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then enter it, and then go to fillet. F is the shortcut key. Select between these two, because the radius is 0, it will take sharp edge. Since your previous command is fillet, again you just press enter. Select first object. Which is the first object? I will select this as the first object, and select second object. They are going to select between here. Similarly, previous command is fillet, you just select first object, you select this and you select this. So once you get the sheet, then you just go to zoom extends now. Now we go for to type, that is the problem number 4. So draw all the three views of a point capital P. So go to the text, select some arbitrary point and take the text type as 4 and specify rotation angle as 0. So type the problem number 4. Draw all the three views of the point P. Draw all the three views of the point of a point P, capital P, lying 60 mm below HP. Lying 60 mm below HP, 70 mm in front of VP, and 40 mm from RPP. Then draw its projections. Draw its projections. Also state the quadrant in which it lies. Also state the quadrant in which it lies. So this is the problem which is given. Now we are going to solve this. So we will go to this point. So first we are going to draw the XY and X1, Y1 line and mark this VP, HP and RPP. So I need to create the layer now. First we will go for a layer, LA, click on new layer and call this as the front view, enter. So click on new, take the layer by name top view, and again click on new, take the layer by name side view, enter, click on new, take the layer by name XY. Layer 0 will have the line weight as 0.05 and layer XY will have the line weight as 0.13, and the rest of the line weights will going to be 0 or pi by the default. So as we are not writing or we are not constructing any line in those particular layers, as we can see from here. That is from this drawing. You can see the drawing in this, we don't have any drawing, any lines which is drawn in the front view, top view and the side view. Now first we'll go for the front view and click on the color of that and make it magenta. That is magenta color. And the top view will going to have the red color. You take that. So side view, on that color portion you just click over here. So that is what I need to change. And then go to blue and say OK. And then XY line should be of 0.13. So OK. Then first we're going to draw the, select some arbitrary point. As we have to keep the ortho mode on, you just drag it some distance and click on enter. So again, your previous command is line. You just select some arbitrary point and then draw a vertical line. Then the next part of this is type VP. HP is the one which is being rotated, and RPP. So here you just go to the text tab, select some arbitrary point and type VP. And of course all the, and then HP is the one which is being rotated, so you type HP. And then on this side you want RPP and you say RPP. Then go to zoom window, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select some arbitrary point, that is base point. Somewhere here you click and drag it and place it wherever you want. Then go to move and take these two here. Similarly RPP on this side. So once you do that, so you just go to click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Again you just click on this and make that layer as top view. And then click on this and go to layer, make that as side view. And this line and this line, so we're going to take up at the later stage because we need to draw the drawing now. So once you go to this zoom previous and then again zoom window, then go to move, then move this still somewhere here. So RPP is somewhere here. So once you do that, then you just come down to this from x1 y1 line, you measure a distance of 40 and draw a vertical parallel line. So then go to zoom previous and then go to offset, take the distance as 40 mm. So as we do that, so you got this line and you remove that extra line. So to do that, go to trim, TR, cutting edges, you just click on this. So it is going to cut automatically. And the distance below HP. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 60. So from here it comes down and then go to fillet between these two. So then 60 mm below HP, 70 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP means it is below XY line. So on the same line you will going to get in front of VP. So go to offset, take the distance as 70 and then draw this and then go to fillet, go to offset, take the distance as 70, you select this line and offset and then go to fillet between these two. Then you just go to line and here go to line, take intersection point of this from the origin at the rate 100 less than minus 45. So once you do that, so you project the top view point. So which are all the top view points? From the extreme point you project this till here and then from there you take it to the top. So to do that you just draw a line from intersection point of this and draw a vertical line like this. Then go to fillet between these two and then go to trim. Then you have this. Then wherever you have, that is the distance from here to here, project this and then you take that point and then you just go to fillet between this line and this line. So once you do that, you will going to get this distance. So here this will going to be the donut. So you just type 0 and you take 3 and you take intersection point of this and take int of this. So what I'm trying to do is I'm selecting the O snaps on exactly to those points by using intersection. So now once you do that, so here this line will have to go to the front view because it is below HP, and this has go to top view because it is in front of VP is always seen in HP. Since HP is below XY line, so it will be below here. You just take this line and make that layer as side view. So this is how you will be able to write this drawing. Now we will just go to break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Then you break this line till here. Then go to the text tab. You select this and take the height and put the caps lock on XY X1 Y1 on this and also on this. So you just come down to this, move it, command is zoom, and then come down to X1 Y1. Then move X, then move Y. Then you just go to DDIM, and then you modify some of these things. You just go to primary units, make it linear dimension as also as the 0, and then fit text, go to text height as 4, align with the dimension line, vertical, above, horizontal, okay, and then offset from the dimension line as 3. Once you get that text, then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. And then come down to lines, take the baseline, extension, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim vertical, take a center of this and take intersection part of this because the donut is always have the circle. So similarly, you just go to dim vertical, take center of this and take intersection point of this, and then project this till here. Then go to dim, take INT of this and take INT of this line. So here dim horizontal, I want to make the horizontal dimension, and take INT of this and take end point of this. So you'll go to here 40, then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line, here it is 45. Then go to zoom previous, draw all the 3 views of the point. So we have drawn all the 3 views of the point capital P. So the text, it should be small p. It should be small p, and this as p dash and this as small p dash. Once you do that, you just come down to move and move this appropriately, and here it will be like this. Then you just click over this and go to layer, make that layer as front view, and similarly you just click on this, go to layer, make that as top view. Then you just click on this, go to layer, make that as side view. So this is how you will be able to write this drawing by using the AutoCAD software. And also we need to show the point P lies in the 4th quadrant, because he says also state the quadrant in which it lies. So the text height as 4 and rotation angle as 0. Point capital P lies in 4th quadrant. Once you do that, now you just go to leader, take nearest point, and then you click on the ortho mode and take some distance. So here, go to zoom window, go to leader, LEA, nearest point on this, and you just drag this. So here you take this annotation option none. Then go to leader, take nearest point on this annotation option none, and then go to leader, take nearest point on this, and you just click over this annotation option and go to explode this because we need to remove the extra line. Explode, X enter, explode, it will explode the given entity, that's all. Then just go to erase this line. So then just go to zoom previous. So this is the directions of projections, and where you have the front view, on that line you are going to get the same view. This is below HP and this is behind, in front of EP. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.